Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to do this today because the last video I just uploaded, I did a video on IKEA. I went to IKEA, I saw some lovely new product they've had in store, and I decided I couldn't really, go around to do the video of the entire store, but I came across few things that I think would, elevate your home, and they are new products for the 2023. IKEA is known for their affordable and storage solutions. I'm here to tell you some items you can actually purchase for less than £10. So if you love this video, keep watching. So the first IKEA product I'm going to tell you about today is the Ikea Reusable Bag. It comes in two patterns, a black and a yellow. So the yellow is polka dot and the black and white has stripes. It's very usable. It comes in 60 packs. Like, you can pack your fruits, your vegetables, and store your food products in the freezer. And you can actually wash it, keep it clean, and you can use it over and over again until it wears out. So these are go-to bags for your freezer, your food. You can store your vegetable, your fruits, all of that. Anything you don't want to waste, you can actually store on this bag. So this bag just costs £3. It's amazing. For 60 packs, £3, that's amazing. So that is the first product. The second product from IKEA under £10 is the Orgafil wall hook. This wall hook comes in 3 packs and it's just £2. So this hook, you can actually use it. It's versatile. You can use it for varieties, and IKEA is all about saving spaces. You can hang your towel, your kitchen towel, your bathroom towel, your bags, your coats, keys, whatever you feel you need to hang. You can actually hang your items on this hook, and it's a set of 3. It is very sturdy. The hook, it fits perfectly on the walls, and it just, when you have limited space, that is absolutely what you want. So yes, so this Orgafil hook is something we can consider if we know we need to save space in our home. My next product from IKEA I'm going to talk about now is this coaster shoe rack. It's very, like, I can't tell you how excited I am because I am in need of this storage solution. This coaster shoe organizer comes in black and it measures 11 by 19 by 27 centimeter. It's only £3. You can store a pair of shoe on top of each other, and that absolutely saves space. Regardless if your shoes are flat or high heels or trainers, whatever, the inclination of the organization's top shelf is easy to adjust. So you can easily adjust it to whatever way you want it to be. So this storage solution is one thing I've been longing to have, and I'm so excited. I will be popping to IKEA to pick up this storage solution, this shoe rack. The next item from IKEA is the moving box. It comes in brown color and it has amazing reviews. Like, this box is sturdy, it's large because the size is 64 by 34 by 40 centimeter, and it is, sturdy box, and is indispensable when it's time to move. Simple to label. You can actually label it easily with your marker. What is inside, you can label what is inside. Easy to lift because it has both handles, and you can carry just as easily, and you can also fold it and store it somewhere. So if you're thinking of moving home right now, this is something you can consider. So this moving box is just £3. So you can get from your IKEA, or you can order online. The next is this fruit cutter. It comes in 4 different colors and it's just £5. So this fruit cutter, it comes in different shapes. You can cut your orange, your cucumber, your pear, your apple, whatever you wish to slice. So you can cut from fruits into wedges, slices, and stripes with this cutter. It's very simple, easy to maintain, it's easy to clean, and it's safe to use. It's suitable for different fruits and dishwasher safe. And the fun color will make you feel happy as well. You can actually, it's very handy for you to use, and it's very easy to store as well. So this fruit cutter, if you're looking for something that is quite handy to cut other than the knife, this fruit cutter, I am sure you would love it because it is just £5. The next is this cushion cover. You know, we are getting to spring now, and this cushion cover is amazing. You would love it. Why? Because it comes with variety of colors, as in bright, vibrant colors that will make you feel happy. So yeah, this is the spring. We need those colors to start popping in. So we have the colors ranging from pale blue, gray green, pink, off-white, yellow, and gray. So this cushion cover, it measures 50 by 50 centimeter, and it is very soft, easy to care for, and you can pick from any color, or you can mix the colors as you wish. I am actually thinking of getting one or two colors are already I'm feeling drawn to one or two colors. So yeah, so this is a cushion you would love, either indoors or in your garden, sit out. You would love to have them, so you can actually pick them up if you want to, and it is just £5. So yeah, so if you're thinking of getting a cushion cover, you can consider this item as well. The next item I'm going to tell you about is the Trofast storage tray. It has variety of compartments, and it comes in gray and turquoise colors, which are amazing. It's only £5. It measures by 42 by 30 by 5 centimeter. This storage tray solution, it's very like if you want to save on space and you want to store those little bits and bobs from your child's playing area, like the puzzles, color pen and pins and all of that, those little things that may be scattered around the home, you can actually get it if you want to, because it's very handy. Like the kids will know that these things are supposed to go to this particular area. So yeah, if you need a storage solution like this, definitely get it, and you can use it for other items around the home, from the kitchen to your bedroom to wherever you want to. You feel those little things are just lying around your houses, you can get it if you want to. I'll just give you the price again. It's just £5. Yeah, so that's, I think it's also one of the new range in IKEA. The next item I'm going to talk about is the extendable rail. It comes in white, it measures from 60 to 100 centimeter, and it's only £7. You can get it in store and online as well. This extendable rail, it transforms all unused spaces into a clever space to hang clothes for airing or drying as well. You can also use it to store your clothes in your wardrobe, or a space you want to convert into a closet or anything like that, as long as it's in between a wall measuring from 60 to 100 centimeter, then you can absolutely use this rail. The next IKEA product I'm going to talk about today is this tablet stand. It comes in black, and it's a bit on the higher side, but it's less than £10. It's just £9. So this tablet stand, you can use it for, to store your tablet, of course, as the name implies. Adjust to how you want it, and it's very handy. It makes the screen easy to see and reach. So when you want to reach for your laptop or for your tablet, it's quite handy. It's simple to fold up and carry, and you can get it online. It's online currently, and as at when I'm making this video, you can get it online and in store as well. You can pop in and get it in store. The next IKEA product I'm going to talk about now, it's for the kids. Of course, I will not forget the kids. So I came across this turtle LED wall lamp, and it's so cute. It comes in green, so if your child, you don't have this imagination of underwater adventure and all of that, you can absolutely pick this up for your child. It comes in green and it's only £9. You can hang it on the wall. You can make it as a decorative piece for the child's room and all of that. The thing is that this lamp is so beautiful. I think I might get it for my son in his room because it's so catchy in the eyes, and the light as well. The light will capture their attention. So yeah, so this turtle lamp, it's very, very handy. You can hang it, you can place it on their wall, place it on the chest drawer. You know, you can make fun decoration with it in your child's room. So if you know you love stuff like this, or your child might be interested in these decor pieces, why not pick it up? It's just £9. The next item I'm going to talk about is this slippers. It comes in black and it's £9. So it's either male or female, but I think it's drawn to the male because of its color. It's so fluffy and it's very soft. I'm sure it will keep your feet warm. So yes, this fluffy slippers has pattern, sole, and gives a good grip. It comes in all black, and I think our male counterpart will love it. So if you love your feet to feel soft and you love the slippers, the pattern and all of that, why not grab it? It's just £9. The next item I am going to talk about for items under £10 in the new IKEA range is this watering can. It comes in 2 shades of blue and a grayish and gold ivory color. And it's so cute. Isn't this cute? And it's so handy for you to water your plants and, you know, make those your garden look start blooming this spring period. It's so cute. I love the colors. It's so vibrant. I love the vibrant colors. And another thing that is catchy is the handle. So tiny and easy to reach, and you will always remember to water your plant because it's so cute. You would want to hold it every time you see it. So yeah, this watering can, it comes exactly at £10. Yes, £10, but I think it's worth it. In my opinion, it's very much worth it because just the design, it's easy for you to display, as in you'll be proud to own such watering can. So yeah, this product is highly recommended because it has lots of beautiful review on their online. So why don't you pop in or order it online? So the next item I'm going to talk about, I love this item. It's a basket with compartments. So it has 2 separate compartments and it comes in just £10. It measures from 33 by 24 by 11 centimeter, and you can use it like, it is so versatile. You can use it from your bathroom to your kitchen to your closet to store your beauty products. It's so handy, and I love the divider in the middle. There's a handle where you can easily take your item from one part of your home to the next. So I love the versatile consideration when building this kind of home piece. This storage solution is so nice to have in the open, and it's simple to carry and easy to store in your cabinet, whether it's tall or short. And the divider creates 2 separate compartments, so it's easy to find what you need. So you can actually use it in any areas of your home. And I love the white. The white makes it look clean yet minimalist. So yeah, it has a wooden handle. So if you love this, and it's easy to store as well, if you love something like this, why don't you pop in to your nearest IKEA and pick it up? So it's one of the Reusable range, and it's also in their new collection of 2023. The next item I'm going to talk about today is the tokening hanging basket. So it's a jute basket. It's among the tokening range. If you watch my last video on IKEA, when I went into IKEA, you saw that I showed some of the tokening range. And now I came across this basket. Is just £10. It's amazing. It's a very versatile blanket, and it's among the tokening range as well. It is made with natural fiber with a warm look. With this basket, you can turn your unused spaces into practical storage for clothes and small item. It is also very easy to carry, considering the two handles. So you can use it in your office, in your living room, in your bedroom, to store whatever you feel you want to. In fact, it looks so cute. I'm going to get it and store in my living room and keep it in my living room to store my throw pillow or my throw blanket. It is so cute. So yeah, if you're considering such, you can go for this tokening hanging basket. So everyone, thank you so much for watching. So these are the products that are new in IKEA this 2023. You can pop in to get them. These are the products that I've seen that I love, and I'm sure you would love them. They are all under £10, and IKEA is so wonderful, especially for their storage solution and saving space, and they are very affordable. So if you love this item, you can go online to search for them, or you can go to your nearest IKEA to get them. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you love videos like this, do well to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you really love it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.